Hello friends, today our topic is the noun number. There are two numbers in English, the singular and plural. What is singular number? A noun that denotes one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. Is boy, girl, cow, bird, tree, book and pen, etc. What is plural number? A noun that denotes more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. Is boys, girls, cows, birds, trees, books and pens, etc. How plurals are formed. The plural of nouns is generally formed by adding s to the singular as. Book, books. Pen, pens. Girl, girls. Boy, boys. But nouns ending in s, sh, ch or x form the plural by adding es to the singular. As class, classes. Dish, dishes. Box, boxes. Most nouns ending in o also form the plural by adding es to the singular. As buffalo, buffaloes. Mango, mangoes. Volcano, volcanoes. A few nouns ending in o merely add s. As piano, pianos. Commando, commandos. Photo, photos. Nouns ending in y preceded by a consonant form their plural by changing y into I and adding es. As baby, babies. Lady, ladies. Story, stories. The following nouns ending in f or fe form their plural by changing fe into v and adding es. As thief, thieves. Wolf, wolves. Knife, knives. And leaf, leaves. Other words ending in f or fe add s. As chief, chiefs. Safe, safes. Proof, proofs. And gulf, gulfs. A few nouns form their plural by changing the inside vowel of the singular. As man, man. Tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. There are a few nouns that form their plural by adding en to the singular. As ox, oxen. And child, children. Some nouns have the singular and the plural alike. As swain, sheep, deer, cod, trout, aircraft, spacecraft, series, and species, etc. Thank you.